This is Oriental Mindoro Mangrove Forest. Well, technically it's called Puerto Galera Mangrove Conservation and Ecotourism Area. It's about 20 minutes away from the small city center of Puerto Galera in Philippines. It is beautiful. I don't get to walk much, and this was a nice break. What surprises me the most is how English is almost everywhere. Everyone understands it. Now, compared to some other parts in Asia where I could only point at the menu item I want and trying to figure out from the picture what it might be. Back to the grove. I love this sign. We have rather bad habit when we visit foreign countries. From climbing statues, taking naked selfies next to Buddha statues, and so on. I welcome this kind of enforcement. Good. Climb a tree and pay the fine. Brilliant. The path doesn't loop back. Once you reach the end, you walk back the same way, which I found a bit boring. Not to mention the fact that this creates a lot more traffic. Maybe it's because they want more place for the actual conservation and growth, and the visitors they get doesn't justify the additional path. I like the boards. It's a lot more details than some we would find in UK. Dumb kids prefer cheese over fried green spinach. As you'd see, it's really a path. Two skinny people can pass by, but one fat person, someone better squeeze. I have blurred my friend's face as I'm not sure how she would feel appearing on this channel, knowing my other contents that at times can be, well, anti-religion. So, Verde Vision. Verde Island Passage Marine Corridor at the center of global marine biodiversity. And this is how a coral reef would look like, not disturbed by tourists with their stupid action cam. Tropical coral reefs are the most diverse marine ecosystem on Earth, giving shelters to thousands of animal species. Many millions of people depend on fisheries, tourism, and coastal protection provided by healthy coral reefs. At present, coral reefs are facing multiple stresses such as pollution, overfishing, and overall, the ongoing climate change, consequently raising seawater temperature and causing coral bleaching worldwide. As a result, over 50% of the world's coral reef have died in the last 30 years, and up to 90% may die within the next century. Very few pristine coral reefs still exist. Depending on their size, barrier reefs and atolls can take from 100,000 years to 30 million years to fully form. And we managed to destroy 50% of it only in 30 years. Yay for us! We will show Mother Nature who's the boss. I do want to read this board as this is quite important. Coastal protection is an important function of mangrove forest, serving as a natural barrier against tropical storms and tsunami, and therefore protecting coastal inhabitants. Recent experiences of tsunami and major storms in Southeast Asia and other parts of the world have shown that mangroves can and have played important roles in absorbing and weakening wave energy, as well as preventing damage caused by debris movement. The entangled roots of mangrove forest help to stabilize coastal areas through sediment capture and biofiltration of nutrition and some pollutants from the water, and reducing coastal erosion. The aerial roots of mangrove filter sediments and reduce pollutants from sewage and aquaculture in estuaries and coastal areas, protecting coral reefs, seagrasses, and other coastal habitats. This is an interesting map. Based on a study in 2005, this board talks about an executive order that was issued to protect the marine life. This is Bert. Unfortunately, the number I have for him doesn't work anymore. But I'm sure to look him up next time I'm there. He was my driver during the whole duration, and the only guy who didn't try to rip me off, being a foreigner. That would be my advice. If you find someone who can show you around and you feel comfortable with, have them around during the whole visit. From almost daily visit to town center, to going to Sabang or Tamaraw Fall, he was my guy. Bart, if you're watching this, please drop me a line, buddy. I would love to get in touch. Finally, something I know, photosynthesis. Thanks for that. I was learning but was feeling pretty stupid till now. Just to clarify, I didn't break a piece of the path. That loose board laid on the path with nails sticking from it. I just moved to a place cordoned off. I thought that was the sensible and laziest thing to do. Well, that's all for this video. If you have enjoyed this content, please give it a like. Have a safe day. Signing off.